Okay guys, so how long your SSD will last? So check this out. So if you are using Windows, so here's your desktop. You need to click on right click on a wing bar, and then you need to go to settings. So then you will see such system menu, and here you need to select storage. So scroll down, click on advanced settings, disk and volumes. So here we can see that I got few hard drives. I got two. I will select this one, disk 0 and disk 1. Yeah. So click on properties. And here we are. Here we can see hard drive. Let's go back to settings. Yeah. And select disk 1 now. So here we can see that it's media SSD drive. And here we can see estimating remaining life. So my drive is okay. So if your drive is 2 years old and it shows 95% health, then it means that it's still okay, so no need to worry.